AI has changed the game, and if you're still doing things the old way, you're falling behind. Marketing, sales, customer service. It can all be automated right now with AI. No more chasing leads, no more missed calls, no more posting manually or writing endless emails. Tectonic does it all for you. Voice AI answers your phone, books appointments, and qualifies leads instantly. SMS and chatbots reply to every inquiry, even at 3 a.m. No receptionist, no delays, no leads lost. Content AI writes your emails, social posts, and ad copy. Workflow AI builds your automations for you. Just tell it what you want. Funnel AI creates high-converting landing pages in minutes. This isn't complicated, it's the opposite. It's built to save you time, to simplify your entire marketing process, and to replace hours of manual work with minutes of smart automation. Everything talks to everything. Leads flow in, AI responds, appointments get booked, and you stay focused on what matters, not buried in follow-ups. No more tech headaches, no more hiring just to keep up. This is smarter, faster, and ready right now. Whether you run a clinic, an agency, a trade business, or a coaching brand, Tectonic becomes your sales team, your support staff, and your content machine, all in one. This is the future of marketing. It's powerful, it's simple, and it's here.